not to call here is not for sale. Quit texting me and aggravate.
All right, everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So, I've been on this journey of trying to vlog every single day as much as possible, even though right now I don't have anything to vlog about, right? My days are not always exciting, and going out on appointments is, kind of rare right now. Not saying that I don't get anything under contract, but the majority of the stuff that we get under contract, we've been doing a lot of land lately, which, you don't go out and see land to do anything with it. And some of the houses that we do get to see, usually my partner is the one that's going out on appointment lately. Just because I got so many other things that I'm handling on the other side of our business. So right now, my main focus is getting some of these deals out. Sometimes that takes really deep research on trying to understand laws and bylaws, especially when it comes to land. There are a lot of tricks of the trade that I'm still learning now, even though I've been doing this for 6 years. Just to give you an example, so we pulled this lot up. The one that you guys got to see in that one video that I'm gonna build some houses on. So apparently we could probably build maybe 5 properties, maybe more. It just really depends if we want to build a road. I don't want to build a road, but I'm trying to pull up the survey here. Let me see. So this is the lot. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it. Make sure it's still gonna flip. So that's the lot. See how well you can see it. It's a nice sized lot. I mean, nothing crazy. It's a 1 acre parcel. So on this 1 acre, the thing that's really important on land is road frontage. And this has about, I think it's like 158 feet of road frontage, which kind of sucks. It gives us, we definitely have enough depth to do some stuff, but the fact that it's not wide enough, I could probably rezone this and get 2 duplexes on it as is and sell the plans with the duplex. I could make some really good money. Each duplex would sell for about $215, $220. Actually, it could be more than that, but just aiming low, right? Whenever you're projecting on what you're gonna make, you always wanna aim as low as possible. So, I mean, if you could get $215 per unit, you'd probably sell the whole thing at $430,000. To the cost to build that project would be about $280. Yeah, just about $280. So not bad, right? All in with the land and everything, you might be at like $310. Make about, I don't know, $90,000 profit after everything is said and done, and after you sell both sides of the units. Really good. That's good money right there, in my opinion. It's really good money. The fact that we can only put maybe 2 duplexes at this moment in time. We're still gonna talk to zoning and planning and see if we can get something done. That's still not bad. I think with land costs, everything, money costs, if we were to build this project, we would make around $200,000, roughly $200,000 profit, building all 4 units or 2 duplexes. So not bad. I mean, the fact that we would make that probably in about 6 months is, hey, that's good. That's good money. Not bad at all. I mean, when you think about what my involvement would be in the building process, would almost be nothing. That's what you mostly got to look at. What's the risk involved? Like, the other exit option is we could keep the duplex units, which would be a great option. I'm actually thinking about tearing down 2 of my houses that I have. One of them I've made a few videos with it, the $12,000 duplex. I did a video with Nas a while back. I'll probably post it up here. I think I did a video with him in 22 that we showcased that house. So that duplex, I paid 13 grand, maybe 12 grand, 13 grand. The land value is like 50,000. So I got the house for less than land value. So tearing it down and building a new duplex would probably cost me more than just, refinishing that property. The time it's gonna take me to rent that property, manage the whole process, making sure everybody does whatever they need to do. I don't wanna do that. Looking at the time investment sucks, big time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start with a brand new clean slate, wipe out the whole duplex, pop up a brand new beautiful duplex right in a right in the heart of a crappy neighborhood, and see where it goes from there. Rent would be like $1,700-1,800 on a brand new unit like that, and this would be a duplex townhome. That's what I want to work on. And then I have another house. I did a video on that one way back. I also thought about the same thing. It's a full gut reno. We bought it for less than land value. I'm just gonna mow it down and start fresh. You know, it makes sense because here's the thing that nobody has, right? Everybody has it, but you lose it quickly. And it's this thing right here. Hold on, I got a lot of papers here and a lot of crap on it. This is the most sought after thing in the whole world, and I am wasting some of yours right now. Time. Time is so hard to get back. It's so hard to keep. And here's the thing, the more time you spend on something, sometimes the money does not follow, right? So the top line would be your timeline and your bottom line is your money line. So even though my time and money kind of coincide each other, right? So like this is my time and then my money is probably there. I want my money to be on top, and I don't know how to spell money because I spelled it wrong. Money to be on top and my time to be on the bottom. So I wanted to be flip-flopped around, right? I want to spend less time, make more money. And the way to do that is by leveraging money. The more money that you leverage, the more time you can save. I know that, the Dave Ramseys of the world might be like chopping my head off by saying that, but it is true. So just throwing this out there, right? If I build 10 duplexes this year, just 10, okay, that's not an incredible amount of money or incredible amount of time. I find 10 lots and build 10 duplexes. I could make about $80,000 to $100,000 per duplex that I sell both sides, right? That would give me about $1 million in revenue, and the amount of time that I have to spend, I'm not swinging hammers, I'm not on the job site, I'm not managing the construction project. That's what the GC is for, and I already have a trusted guy that I can use, and I'm not doing anything. All I'm doing is every time bills pop up, I pay them, and I'm gonna just drive by and, oh look, that's a nice house going up. That's it. You know how much time, so I got a friend of mine who's in the construction business, and he's doing like maybe what, 2 to 3 new constructions a month. His time managing the construction process, and he's not managing it, he's just paying the bills. He's spending about 4 to 10 hours a week, okay? 4 to 10 hours a week. You know what I would do if I didn't have to spend 40 hours in a week? Man, I could do so much more things. You know, I could go hang out with my kids. I could do more with my family. I could, I don't know, start a education business. I could do so much more if I wasn't dedicating all my time to making money. I could go on vacation too. But the point is that I want to do things that take less time and make more money, because that's where the real, the real win is, right? The real wealth is built on getting back more time, making more money with less time, you know? That's why I got into wholesaling. That's why I got into real estate. There's so many different avenues that you can take. It's pretty crazy. I know I've been mouthing off with it and just kind of like leading, but that's my goal, right? This is my goal for this year. And even though like videos like this, there's nothing really exciting happening here, right? Other than, maybe I gave you an idea, or maybe I gave you the thought process on, hey, like, working 80, 90 hours a week is not something I want to do forever. And it's not. I don't want to be, working my butt off. I'm going to be 40 in a few years, believe it or not. Yeah, this face, I may look young, but I'm 37 years old this year. I'm going to be 40 in a few years, and I don't want to be working like a dog. I got friends that are in their 40s and 50s, and they're still out there killing it. But then I got friends in their 30s and 40s who are sitting back relaxing. not so much relaxing, but they have less on their shoulders and they're making more money than I am. So I want to be chilling, making more money, right? Getting completely out though, and like, you know, not being a part of it, I'm not gonna say it's impossible, it's a lot harder, but I just want to make more money and spend less time doing it. I know I keep rambling on about it. Other than that, mostly been here at home all day. My desk is a mess. I got junk all over the place. Mostly focusing on some changes to my text messaging service. I'm always reviewing it, making sure everybody's, you know, cruising along, not having any issues with the platform. And then also making revisions to like the AI autoresponder. It has an AI autoresponder. So I'm always making revisions, trying to make it a little bit smarter. That way it takes a lot of time away from the actual process of getting deals, right? I like to save a lot of time and I like to do a lot of automation. So I'm always experimenting on how to make things better. Also, I'm doing a lot of land and driving for dollars. That's mostly all I do right now. And I'm getting all my data ready for my next round of bombarding people with messages. So we're out here hustling, you know, the usual. I'm trying to make 24 another year of just change. I want to change a lot for myself. I want to be a better person. I want to grow more. I want to learn new things. And every year in real estate, I learn something new. You know, I've been in the game 6 years, okay? And in those 6 years, there's never been a year I could say, well, I learned everything that I could learn and there's nothing else. And there's just so much more. Like, I haven't even ventured off into the commercial realm. I've made some accidental money in commercial properties. I bought a commercial building for $12,000 that was completely run down, and I put it on the MLS and made like $60,000 or $70,000 on it, and I sold it as is. My opinion, I wouldn't have paid 60, 70 grand, but I don't know the value of it. Had another commercial building not too long ago, that similar issue. Like, I was gonna buy it for like 60 grand, and I was doubting myself because I was like, man, I'm gonna pay 60 grand. It's a 4,000 square foot building with a big, you know, garage door on it. I didn't really think it was worth it. It had a lot of problems. It needed like a lot of renovation. But another guy bought it before or after me. He paid more money than me. He paid like 100 grand. I was like, okay. And he ended up selling it for like $300,000 or $400,000. And I'm like, yo, what am I missing here? And it's just because I still have a lot to learn, a lot of value to gain from real estate, because there's just so much out there. You know, I got friends that are house hacking houses. They're doing all kinds of different creative financing methods, making money, like just in all these weird different ways that you would never even know unless you're really in the business, really out there, networking, talking to people. Like I myself, I haven't been networking lately. I think in the last year I've gone to 2 meetings, and I need to get myself out there again, hopefully soon. But it's pretty amazing what you're able to learn. You just got to really apply yourself. And even now, I got some new land stuff that I'm working on that has completely blown my mind on how much change, well, not so much change, but how many other different plays that you can make happen in this business. You know, like there's just so many different plays. You would just be, really astounded by the amount of stuff that you learn along the way. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna cut this here. I know I've been rambling on for a while, but these kind of videos are needed, especially just documenting the daily activity. I'm gonna really push hard this year to, even if I just have videos like this, to just push them out anyway. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys learned something, and I'll catch you guys in another vlog.